Don't get the mochaccino. They screwed up and put hot chocolate in the dispenser.
Thank you.
You were right. The 8-year-old kid grabbed my ass. I shouldn't have encouraged him.
Well, I was a boy once. I know how they think.
You're a pervert at 8?
Maybe 11.
I didn't realize you were gonna get hurt. Sorry I misled you.
You didn't. You have feelings for me. You come back to me again and again.
For sex, it's a simple physical...
Come on, you have feelings for puppies and patients that you barely know. But when it comes to a guy that you've worked with for 3 years, had sex with, spent the night with, you telling me you feel nothing? Absolutely nothing?
Get away from her!